that cool beat in there when he I don't know, were you searching for words or there was a beat there? You had a nice beat there.
No, I knew everything. I never slipped up once.
Well, but whatever it is, even if you did forget your lines,
yeah,
it works for the character.
Well, exactly what Morgan said.
Yeah.
It's like I was like lost a second there, but you know,
Yeah,
I didn't sweat it.
But that's the beauty of that. That's a perfect example. It works for the character that you as long as you stay in character, your character's thinking. And there's those beats, when you see beat, when they write it in, you don't want to run over that. Okay? That's an important, the writer wrote beat for a reason in there. Okay? And that's for you to expose something. A want, a wish, an unfulfilled desire, something about your character, and in that moment, it's like a little private moment where you're exposing that. So when you see beat, please don't run over it. It's there for a reason. It doesn't mean just pause. As long as you give yourself something truthful in that. I don't give a shit if you're thinking about I gotta buy milk and bread and eggs and I gotta do my laundry. As long as you're thinking something that beat, it's gonna work. But you want to make a choice in there. Okay? You guys always want to know, where's your light source? This is my we talked about a key light and a fill light. These are your light sources. You want to be careful not to put your hand in front of that because all it does is put a shadow on your face. And, even when you were acting with another actor, right? If you're standing next to them and the key light's over here, you're going to shadow them. And if you see a shadow on their face, that's not good for the camera that's filming them. So you always want to be aware of your light source, your key light. That's the hardest thing, for actors to do is really don't do nothing. Trust yourself that you're enough and relax. That's the key to being a great actor, is to be relaxed and out of your head and just been in the moment and just breathing into whatever truth you're breathing into.
Yeah, what happened?
Dude, this girl, she used to come around with avocados every time we hook up.
Oh, it's always a girl. Jeez.
One night, things got a little weird, and she started spooning them out, and
like just in the kitchen or like in the bedroom?
I mean, it started in the kitchen, but she
yeah.
had this weird like Shrek fantasy. She wanted to
Right. Wait.
She wanted to see me green, and she kept saying like, "This is the good fat." Like, I don't know.
Is that Carolyn Baker?
Not you too, man.
Oh man.
Bro, we gotta
That was
sign
our
a petition or something.
What?
We have to sign a petition or something to get this girl like canceled.
Is that how we do it? I don't know. I've never tried to cancel anybody before. It's like
Just start yelling. I don't know.
Yelling?
Post something.
Oh, like online. I don't have my phone.
Look at it. I know, but we can't. No, don't touch it. We need to shovel it out of here. I'll get the shovel. We'll take the shovel. We can have a ceremony. Okay, it'll be real nice. We'll have a nice ceremony for him. I know that you really love living creatures, and I love that about you. But this
terrible person.
guy has to go. No, you're not a terrible person. This guy was an awful rat.
After what I found under your bed, I think, we need to go into your closet.
Oh, you don't want to see what's in there. Trust me, Mom, you don't.
So
Okay?
last week, I found a snake under your bed.
Okay, that was Pedro's. Right? It's not. This is pet snake.
It's
I don't
always
care.
Pedro's, okay?
It's not my fault.
Well, why was there a sock on him?
Practice, you know.
You know what? I don't know what you're into,
Did everybody get that?
but I'm afraid to go into your closet right now.